Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add comment and reply section to a website on Google Sites. So first, you just have to simply go to Google Sites and create an account right here. Create a site. You can start from blank page or from any of their templates. You can use from their templates right here. But for this tutorial, I'm going to select this. For example, this is my website for my team, and then I can create something here, add images, I can edit this, I can add buttons, I can add anything. You just have to go to the right side and then you can add whatever you want here. For example, box, anything, you can add it. Once done, then you wanted to add a comment and reply section. I strongly suggest to go to Discuss. This is a tool, a free tool that can help you create a comment and reply section to your Google site. All you have to do is to create an account here. You can create account using your Google account, add your name, just follow anything here, and then once you're done, then you can now tap on create. This is a unique URL. You can just follow what is written below this section. Okay, for example, Jenny and discuss.com, and then add category and then tap this create right here. Here you need to tap your profile and tap on installing site, and you have to look for Google site. If you can find it right here, scroll down and tap on I don't see my platform, and what you're going to do here is you have to copy this URL or code. Tap on copy. Now go back to your Google site. You have to locate the place where you want to add the comment and reply section. Tap on code, embed the code right here. Okay, paste it right here and then tap this one. And you should see this, and all you have to do is tap on proceed next, and you should see that right here. So basically, that's how easy it is to add comment and reply section to website on Google Sites. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.